With a third of our fisheries today either overexploited or fully depleted, there is an urgent need for sustainable fishing practices to become the norm rather than the exception. Sea Harvest is a South African fishing business that places sustainable and ethical practice at the heart of its operations, from fishing sustainably to supporting education and job creation.
This is where the process starts at Sea Harvest, here in Saldanha Bay. This is Saldanha Bay, and we have 8 fresh fish trawlers. They go out for approximately between 8 and 7 days out at sea, and they fill up this processing facility on a daily basis, Monday to Sunday. And then we have 4 additional freezer trawlers, which offloads here between 35 and every 40 days approximately.
I'm Terence Brown, and I'm the Operations Director of Sea Harvest Corporation. It was founded in 1964 on the shores of Saldanha Bay. It's unique because it became the single largest fishing business in South Africa, which was controlled by a black empowered consortium. Today, 50 years plus later, we are still existing due to sustainability methodologies that has been employed over the year.
Sea Harvest is a key player in the South African hake fishery, the only fishery in South Africa accredited by the Marine Stewardship Council. The MSC was founded after the collapse of the Grand Banks cod fishery in 1992 to recognise and reward sustainable fishing practices and influence consumers to buy sustainable seafood.
We need to hold business accountable. We are all accountable for our people and our planet, ensuring that our carbon emissions are well managed and ensuring that we respect the environment, both on land and at sea. We have a close relationship with the Ministry of Fisheries, and it's to ensure that we follow the policies correctly. We want socio-economic impact assessment studies so that we can ensure that we are continually doing the right thing. I mean, we depend on the ocean to catch fish, and we need to ensure that we have sustainability in terms of the future of the business by ensuring that we maintain the quotas, we maintain the volume and the amount of fish that we are able to catch year on year. This industry employs 25 people for every ton of fish caught. The fabric of our business is to ensure that we empower our people, that we serve our communities where we are found, and that we have good relationships with NGOs and stakeholders.
Sea Harvest is helping a lot of societies in our community, in my community, because a lot of people are struggling. They don't have money to pay school fees. I'm very glad that they did something like it for our community.
We put people at the heart of our business. We have education programs on a continuous basis. We have employee wellness programs looking at financial education, ensuring that they save, ensuring that they correct bank accounts for the future of the children as well. If we have a healthy workforce, we will have a healthy business. And that's really the thread within our business, ensuring our employees are educated and they can create the wealth for themselves. Sustainability and profitability are not mutually exclusive. We have proven that. It's like the old saying goes, when you're planting a tree, you're planting for the future for someone else to enjoy the shade. This is exactly what we're doing at Sea Harvest.